find the vertex of the given equation by completing the square. So let me take one pen here. So we want to find the vertex by completing the square. How we can find? So let's try this way. Y is equal, now here in this 5x squared plus 20x, let me factorize this two terms. Here is a 5, and what do I have? X squared plus 4x. And now we put this minus 9 a little further. Here minus 9. And now I'm completing the square inside the parentheses. And what I'm doing here, I'm going to take this, this is A, this is B, and B over 2. Let me try this formula. B over 2. In our case, B is a 4. Here is a 4 over 2. 4 over 2 is equal to 2. And now let me try B over 2. I'm going to square B over 2. Let me square here. And already I see B over 2 is equal to 2 square. And 2 square is equal to 4. So this 4 I'm going to add here. And now let me rewrite this equation. Y is equal to the 5 x squared. So I'm rewriting this x squared plus 4x. And in this equation here, I'm going to add this b over 2 squared, because we are completing the square here inside the parentheses. And here is a 4. But because I add here 4, I'm going to subtract positive 4. I'm going to subtract here the value what I added here. But do not forget, I didn't add just 4. But here is a 5. 5 times 4 is a 20. So in effect, I added a 20. So that's why I'm going here to subtract 20. Because plus 20 minus 20 is a 0. And now we are going to work here. Y is equal 5. And what do I have? Here inside x squared plus 4x plus 4. But here I'm going to take x plus b, because here is a plus, and I'm going to take a x plus b. But what is a b? B is b over 2. And what is b over 2 is a 2. So I'm taking this 2 here. And this is a square. And here minus 9 minus 20 is minus 29. So we have now the quadratic equation in the vertex form. And to find the vertex here, we already know to find the vertex, we can take h and k. But h is a minus 2 here. Minus 2. And k is minus 29. So we already found the vertex. And if you look at this graph of the function that represents 5x squared plus 20 minus 9, and here we see here is a minus 2. If you look here in the graph, in the parabola, here is minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So here is a minus 2. This is the axis of symmetry. And we see very clear. And in this point here is the vertex, V. But you see here is a 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So here is a 29. So it makes sense. Here is the vertex. And this is the vertex, what we found by completing the square.